In today's video, I'll be showing you a new way to make money affiliate marketing with ChatGPT. This is not going to be another generic video about creating an ebook or selling products on Quora. Instead, we'll be diving much deeper into a completely new strategy so you can earn up to $15,000 per commission. You do not need to build a large audience, you don't need to create a complicated website, and it is completely free to get started with. But what you do need to do is watch every step of this video because it's a very specific method. And by the end of this video, you will have everything ready to start earning money right away. So make sure to like this video and we'll get started now. So the first thing I want to show you guys today is how you're actually going to be making money with ChatGPT. Now the method that I'm going to show you today is by promoting this product here. So this is a tracking software called Hyros and it is made by Alex Becker. You've probably heard of him before. He's an internet marketer who is all over YouTube. Now for his offer in particular, you can make $1,000 to $15,000 per referral. Now the reason why this is such a lucrative offer to promote is because a lot of people are having tracking issues thanks to iOS 14 and they need a software to help track their ads. Now if you take a look at this warning here, it says we only accept customers spending at least $10,000 a month on ads and doing $40,000 a month in revenue. So the people that we're going to be promoting this offer to will already have a lot of money to spend, which means that you're going to have a lot more chance of making commissions with this product. Now if you scroll further down the affiliate page, what you're going to see is a full support. So basically you can get full promotional and affiliate group access, a dedicated and fast as hell rep to help you literally with anything that you need, and tons of material to help you sell Hyros to your clients. Now I'll show you exactly how to find targeted clients so you can make a lot of money with this software tool, and I'll also break down the ChatGPT command prompts later on in this video. But first what you need to do is create your affiliate account. It's super easy to sign up for as well. You just need to fill in your personal details and it will take you just under a minute to do. So once you've done that, I'll quickly show you the affiliate dashboard where you can promote Hyros and a bunch of other things that you'll need to get started. So on the affiliate dashboard, you're going to see a bunch of different resources that you can use to promote this offer. However, what we're going to do is go down to our referral link. So as you can see, your referral link will look something like this. Now, if you click over to your referral link, it's going to take you to this landing page where people can watch this video and then they can book a demo. Now, these demos are 30-minute strategy sessions where someone over the phone will talk to your client. They'll go over their ads and they'll talk about how they can scale their ads to make more money, and then they'll close the person by selling them Hyros. This is a huge plus for promoting Hyros because these people that are talking over the phone are trained salesmen, so you'll have more chance of making a commission because you'll have someone else doing all the heavy work for you. So essentially all you need to do really is get this affiliate link and promote it to people who are running ads. Now to find people to promote this offer to, you just want to go over to the Hyros main page and you just want to see what businesses this software program is for. Now you can see that it's for info products, e-commerce stores, call funnels, and agencies. Now it's really important to learn more about these business models. That way you can promote them to the right people. Otherwise you'll be wasting a lot of time promoting it to the wrong people. Alright, so since Hyros is an ad software tracking tool, what we're going to do is we're going to find people who are currently running ads. Now an easy and free way to do this is by going over to a Facebook ads library. Essentially this is a tool created by Facebook which allows you to see every single ad that is currently running on their platform. So all you need to do is go down to this search ads section here, and what you want to do is first select your country. Now I do have New Zealand selected, however I do recommend choosing something like the United States, Australia, or even the United Kingdom. The reason being is that people who run ads in these countries typically have a higher budget because it will cost more to acquire a customer, and it's more likely they'll have a bigger budget to spend money on an ad tracking software tool. So for this example, I'm just going to scroll down and find the United States. So I'm just going to select this one here, and then I'm going to select the ad category as all ads. So now you need to search by keyword or advertiser, and what you can do is go back over to Hyros and you just want to copy and paste one of these keywords and then put it into this section here. So for example, I could go down and I could find e-commerce clients. So I could type in something like e-commerce and see what it comes up with. Now as you can see, there are 12,000 results using the the keyword e-commerce. And if you scroll down, you're going to see a bunch of e-commerce stores that are promoting different products on Facebook. And essentially what you want to do is reach out to each individual business who are running ads and refer these businesses using your affiliate link to Hyros, where they can go to this landing page, book a strategy call, and the closer will close the deal, which will make you anywhere between $1,000 to $15,000 per commission. Now, to find their contact details, all you need to do is go over to the Facebook ads library and then just hover over their Facebook page name. You just want to right click it into a new window, and then you want to go down into their about section, and as you can see, they have a phone number, email address, and website where you can get a hold of them. I also recommend going up to the message button and messaging them there. That way you can just get a hold of them in multiple different ways. Now, when it comes to writing these emails or messages for your potential clients to sign up to Hyros, what you want to do is head over to ChatGPT. Now, what you need to do with ChatGPT is create what's called a cold outreach email. That way you have more chance of actually landing a customer when you reach out to them. So what we're going to do is put in a few command prompts and write the best email possible to increase your chances of making a commission. So typically these businesses get a lot of emails every single day, and what you want to do is create an email that captures the person's attention so they click on it and then go to your affiliate link. So since you've found these people through Facebook ads library, you know that they're running Facebook ads, so you want to ask a question related to that. So you could type in a command prompt such as write a catchy email subject line asking how their Facebook ads are doing. Then all you need to do is click enter and see what the command prompt comes up with. Alright, so as you can see, ChatGPT has come up with a really good subject line for the email template that we'll be using to send out to these businesses. Now what you need to do is create the body text of your email talking about the benefits of Hyros for their business. Alright, so I've been playing around with different command prompts and spitting out a bunch of different things with ChatGPT, and I think I found a really good command prompt that you can use with this method. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to expand on the email title that you created. So the one that we created before is Are Your Facebook Ads Crushing It? Let's check in. Then what you want to do is you want to write about a problem that the people might be having with their Facebook ads. Now, a big problem that people are having at the moment is the iOS 14 update. So if you don't know what the iOS 14 update is, basically Apple released an update that allows people to opt in or opt out of ad tracking. So basically when someone runs ads on Facebook, it's a lot harder to track their performance because a lot of people are opting out of that tracking. And like I've said in this video multiple times, the solution to these ad tracking issues is going to be Hyros. So what you want to do is you want to go over to the landing page of your affiliate link and then copy the benefits and then put them into ChatGPT. So for instance, I could go back over to the landing page and then copy and paste instantly fix iOS related tracking issues and then put it into the command prompt here. Now you want to add as many benefits as you possibly can to this email. That way you can convince people to actually click over to your affiliate link and book a demo with Hyros. So what you want to do is head back over to the landing page and just find more benefits on this landing page and add them into this command prompt. Alright, so I've added more benefits from the Hyros landing page down below, and ChatGPT has come up with a really good email template that we can use to reach out to potential customers. So now what you want to do is you want to just copy and paste the body of the email and then paste it over into a Word document, just like I've done here. Now for the last section of this email, it's really important to put a call to action. So you basically want to be telling people what they should do next, and what they should be doing next is clicking over to your affiliate link to book a demo with Hyros. So if you go back over to ChatGPT, what you want to do is you want to type in something like create a call to action telling people to book a free 30-minute strategy. I can't spell strategy. Yes, I did. Call with Hyros. Right, and then you just want to hit enter and see what it comes up with. All right, so it's come up with a call to action, but it's very long and I don't think we need this whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this section here, and then I'm going to add it over into my email, and then I'm going to go back over and then I'm going to copy this section here and then add it into my email. Now, if you're feeling lazy and you don't want to spend any time in ChatGPT, I'll add this email in the description below so you can download this template and use it for yourself. Now, the last thing that you need to do is add your Hyros affiliate link. Now, you can't just directly add your affiliate links to emails. They'll just go to the person's spam folder and no one will be able to see them. So what you need to do is create a very basic landing page. That way, when you send the email, they go to the landing page and then they click your affiliate link from that landing page. So what you need to do is head over to canva.com and create a free website using a template. So if you go up to this search bar here and then you go down and click on websites, it's going to bring up a bunch of different templates that you can use. For this example, I highly recommend using the business website. So all you need to do is click on this and it will create a blank template that you can use. Now for your website, all you need to do is head back over to your affiliate landing page with Hyros and take a snippet off this landing page and then add it into this one. So what you need to do is head over to your landing page and you just want to copy this text here and then you want to paste it into your landing page. Then what you need to do is resize this text so people can actually see it. So I'm just going to expand it out and then I'm going to drag it to the top of the page. That way it's more presentable. Then what you need to do is highlight this text down below and then just make the sub headline a little bit smaller than the main headline. And then what I'm going to do is make this a little bit bigger and then I'm going to add a bold font to it. For the background color, you want to keep it the same as the Hyros landing page. So what you can do is you can download a free plugin called ColorZilla. And what this is going to do is it's going to choose the color that is on the landing page, as you can see up here. And then you just want to click it and then it's going to copy this to the clipboard. Then what you need to do is go back up to the color picker and click copy to clipboard. And then you want to select this one here. So if you go back over to Canva and click on the background, you can go up to this color section here and you can paste in the color that you just copied from the landing page. Now that the background color has been added, you just want to change the font color here so people can see it more easily. You just want to go up to text color and you just want to change it to white. Then what you need to do is head back over to the landing page and you want to screenshot this video image here. So if you are on Windows, you can just go down to the search bar and type in a snipping tool. You just want to click on that and then you just want to click on new and then you just want to highlight this here and then save it to your computer. So if you go back over to your website builder on Canva, you just want to find the image that you just screenshotted and you want to add it to this section here. Then you just need to drag it down a little bit so it's not in the way of the text and you just want to align it in the middle. Alright, so the next thing that you need to do is add your affiliate link to this web page. That way you can make money. So what you need to do is head over to your Hyros affiliate section and you just want to copy this affiliate link here and then you want to go over to Canva. You just want to click this image here. You want to go up to these three dots and you just want to click on link. Then with the affiliate link that you just copied, you just want to paste it into this section here where it says enter a link or search. So you just paste it in, then you want to click enter. So the link has now been added to this image here, as you can see to the top right of this corner. And all you need to do next is publish the website so you can get the URL. To do this, go up to this button here, which is right next to the share button, and click on publish website. Now you want to leave the check mark on for resize on mobile and you want to keep it as without navigation. For the publish to section, you can use a free domain. However, I do recommend purchasing a new domain in the future, but if you want to get started for free, you can simply just use a free domain. So the next thing that you need to do once you've done all of that is you just want to go down to this purple button here and click on continue. Now I'm pretty sure when it comes to creating web pages with Canva, you can only have one URL at a time, and I've already used it for a past video. But for you, if this is the first time you're creating a landing page with Canva, what you want to do is select your URL that is related to Hyros. So you could call it something like Hyros free booking or book now with Hyros. Now for the URL on your domain, you just want to keep it a lot shorter than it is now. So I'm just going to highlight all of this text here and then I'm just going to delete it. For the next steps, you don't need to worry about any of this stuff. You just want to leave it blank and then you want to click publish. So now that your web page is live, you just want to view the website to test if your affiliate link is actually working. And as you can see, if you click on this image here, it's going to take me to my affiliate offer and my affiliate URL is there. So I will get paid a commission if someone chooses to buy this product. So for the last step, what you need to do is head back over to your Canva landing page and you just want to highlight all of this text here. You just want to copy it and then what you need to do is head back over to your email template and then just add it into this email here. So what you could do is you could just highlight this text here. You just want to right click it, and then you just want to click insert link. Then all you need to do is paste your landing page URL into this section here and click on apply. You can also add it further up the page so people don't have to scroll down to click the link. So I'm just going to add another one right here, and then I'm just going to insert link again and then paste it into this section here. And that's it when it comes to creating an email template with ChatGPT and also creating your landing page to promote your affiliate products. Now all you need to do from there is you need to just go back over to the Facebook ad library and reach out to each individual person using the email template that you created. Now this will work on a smaller scale. However, if you want to send mass emails per day, then I do recommend buying an email provider along with a domain that you can use. And if you want me to create a video about it in the future, then make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this content, then please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for my future content. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.